Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've been doing a ton of these flower dangles. I saw Pinkcraftyworld's easy tutorial and I was totally inspired to make some. So let me show you. Okay, so I made a lot of pink ones. I think they come out so cute. This one has a little heart, the bead in the inside, and I did like the fake wrapping which I just added like tiny little beads on the top. So it looks like it's kind of wrapped. So I did that one. And then I did this one with the blue flower. I added a little blue angel. Super cute. Then I did this one. These are the flowers from AliExpress. And I think they came out so cute to dangle on your projects. Okay, this one I tried to actually do the bead wrapping, which you can see I'm terrible. You want a good bead wrapping tutorial, go follow BuzzingwithVee. Yeah, I did this one too. This one came out a little better. I'm gonna put a link to her tutorial also. So she does really great bead wrapping. And this one, super cute. I did a yellow one with the little heart and the little beads to make it look like it's wrapped, but it's really not. I added a butterfly to this one. Aren't they cute? So cute. I did another little wrapping here. Not so bad. And then this one is a bigger flower. I added a little key. This one there. And then this one here. As you can see, I made a few. And since I made a few, I was going to do my last one. And I figured, you know what, since I'm making these real quick right now, let me show you real quick. Again, Pinkcraftyworld has an easy tutorial, but I wanted to figure I'll make my last one here on camera with you guys. So you need a head pin with a little pearl in the bottom. You take your flower, just poke it right in the middle. Comes out pretty quick. And it looks like that. Okay, you add your little other bead just for decoration. I don't know what those are called. Add another bead like that. Look how cute. Then here is where I like to add these tiny little beads so it gives the illusion of it's wrapped. It's really not. So I'm going to add 4 little beads. I can find this stinking little hole. Actually, I'm going to do 3. So I did 3 little beads. I'm going to use my little tool to make the loop. Now that I have this tool, it's like, oh my God, so all I want to do is jewelry stuff. Charm stuff, actually, not jewelry. You make your loop like that. See that? Then just add your jump ring. Let's open that up. Open this one up. Add your jump ring. Add your little clasps. Close this up. And done. Just made my last one with you here. And that's it. These are all going to go into my little stash. I think they look so cute when you dangle them on your projects. Super easy to make. Again, I will post BuzzingwithVee wire wrapping tutorial in the description bar, and also Pinkcraftyworld tutorial on the description bar also. Okay, so this is it for now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.